Guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to Pinterest house. Yes, we're back on Pinterest today. I love Pinterest. But I'll put the house at the bottom of the screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so I went ahead and did the outline or the layout off camera so that way I could concentrate on it. But right now we have the downstairs right here. So basically we're gonna have our living room here. This will be our kitchen. We're gonna have a laundry here, and I'll figure out what we're doing here, but for right now I'm thinking we could do like a dining room leading out to a side porch, if you guys know what I mean. If we go upstairs, we'll have a bedroom here, maybe a bedroom there. I'm still figuring that part out. There's gonna be another bedroom right here, and this is gonna be a bathroom. And then we got the rest of this hallway to do whatever it is we want to do. So we're gonna work on that. This right here is gonna be a patio, so we're gonna go ahead and put a fence there. Okay, so I decided to do a voiceover on this one because I wanted to speed it up for you guys because this video was literally already 2 hours long. So right here I'm just focusing on doing the siding of the house, like painting everything first at the bottom and stuff like that. I didn't know what to choose or anything like that, like what texture to use, so I just went with anything. So I just chose something random and I used plaster. And then here I'm just adding on the walls, not the walls, the windows and doors and fixing them up and everything like that. And so I'm basically just gonna be doing that for a little bit, and then pretty much, yeah, that's all I'm doing. And then finding out what light I want to put here on the porch. But I'm not gonna do so much talking right now, so I'm gonna cue the music and you guys can just watch the speed build and basically stuff like that. So yeah. So this is where I start moving into the inside of the house, and I will start on doing the living room first, and then I will move on to the kitchen and the dining room, and then I'll start moving on to the next bathroom, and then I'll move upstairs and work on the bedroom and the bathroom up there, and then the next room up there. But yeah, that's pretty much all this house is gonna be. So enjoy the video. Love you guys. Also, if you guys are wanting to copy this layout, you guys can slow it down if y'all want. But then at the beginning of the video, I show the layout of the video of the house, so you guys could copy the layout and then slow down the video if y'all want to use it, like the interior and all of that. Just thought I'd let you guys know that. Okay, guys, so don't yell at me. But I was gonna add a coffee table to the living room, but I didn't do it because well, there was no room. But now we are moving on to the kitchen, and basically I had no idea what I was doing here, and I was just trying to play around with some things, and so you guys are gonna watch me struggle to create my kitchen. So love you guys. 5, 2, 1.
'cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Can I just stay here, spend the rest of my days here? Can I just stay here, spend the rest of my days here? 'Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down. 'Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. My pride, my ego, my needs, and my selfish ways caused a good, strong woman like you to walk out my life. Now I'll never get to clean up the mess I made. Oh, and that haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know I hope he buys you flowers, I hope he holds your hand, give you all his hours when he has the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause I remember how much you love to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. The stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me.
Okay, so right here, I just decided to make it another, like a big old patio porch, or like one of those things where like it's open, but it's also in the house. I don't know what it's called. If you guys know what it's called, then let me know down in the comments. But pretty much, yeah, I didn't know what else to put in here, so I just made it kind of like one of those big porch things for like the bonfires and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll quit talking and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the speed build. I love you guys.
Do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing.
So this is the outside of the house. It's time for the tour. So as soon as we walk in, we have our living room. We walk over here and we have our kitchen and our dining area, and we can walk right outside to. I didn't decorate right here because this video is already getting long enough, so we're gonna kind of like might extend this. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But then we walk back inside and we come into our first bathroom. Come into our first bathroom. And we can make our way upstairs to this big area right here. If y'all have any ideas on what I should put over here in this area, let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll add it. But and then as soon as we walk over here, we're coming down to this little space right here, and then down to this area. This place would probably be really nice when it's dark out, the lights and everything. And then we can come into our bedroom. And this is our cute little bedroom with our massive windows. And then we can come over here and come into our big bathroom. And yeah, so that is our house, guys. If you guys have any ideas on what y'all want me to build next, let me know and I will do it. Alright, love you guys. Bye.